Loads of drivers get confused about the rules of box junctions, but they are actually really easy to understand. There's lots of paint on the road, these crisscross yellow markings. And when there's more paint, that means there's more danger or more restrictions. Here, there's more restrictions. They want to keep this part of the road clear so it doesn't get blocked. Let me show you what I mean. So you're in this yellow car, you want to go left, the traffic lights are on green. If the road you're going into is blocked with traffic, you've got nowhere to go. So you'd wait behind the line. If it's clear, then you can go. So let's talk about going straight ahead. If you want to go straight ahead and the road you're going into is blocked with traffic, then you can't go. If your exit road, the road you're going into, is blocked, you stay behind the line. You don't enter the box junction. If your exit road is clear, then you can enter the box junction. And when you're going straight ahead, you go straight through it, wouldn't you? Let's talk about turning right. This is where the confusion comes. If you're here and you want to turn right, and the road you're going into is blocked with traffic, your exit road is blocked, you won't go. You'll stay behind the line. But if your exit road is clear, you can go. Now, when you're turning right, as with any junction, you might have to wait for oncoming traffic to go past first. So you're not stuck in the box junction. You're just waiting for oncoming vehicles to go past. Once they've gone past, or the traffic light changes and stops behind the line here, then you can go because your exit road is clear. So what you really need to understand, if your exit road is blocked, stay behind the line. If your exit road is clear, you can go. But when you're turning right, you might have to wait for oncoming vehicles to go past first. That's how easy the rules of box junctions are. If this has helped you, you now have a bit more understanding, you like this way of teaching, don't forget to give this video a like for me. And if you want to know that you're going to pass your theory test, Complete Theory Pro is my online course that will take you step by step through learning everything that you need. And don't forget to subscribe to me, that would be great. Thanks for watching.